Hello. Good morning. What are you doing? Are you eating a thermometer? Does it taste good? Plastic is yummy. Hey, Mommy. What just happened? Huh? Did you just give birth? Yay, give birth. Right on. What time is it? It's 5:30. What time was Charlize born? 3:52. 3:52.
There we go.
Who's that? That's Deborah.
Hi.
No!
How are you?
Is it?
Yep.
Oh, I got it right.
You got it right.
Hi, Deborah.
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm
Hello.
fine. So we need to warm her up a little bit.
Is she cold?
Yeah.
That's her stats right there.
Yeah.
Stats. Get to her stat. Gotta get to her
I'm
stat.
just gonna go get a little machine, wrap around you, and it warms you up, okay?
And there I am in the mirror. Can you see? Hey! That's Daddy! Hey, Daddy! I'm filming myself in the mirror. I'm walking down the hallway to the NICU. Neonatal Intensive Care Unit is what that stands for. The NICU at St. Vincent's.
Hello?
Hello. Calling.
Hello?
Calling for daddy.
Calling who?
Hello.
Who are you calling?
Calling for daddy.
Who you got the speaker and the phone on your phone
Yeah, it's a receiver.
with a
and then
mic.
there's a
You got the microphone.
microphone.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, calling daddy.
Calling daddy.
Calling
daddy.
daddy.
I just want to tell you that I love you, daddy.
I'm here. I love you too. Who are you calling? Oh, ooh, oh, wait. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh.
There it goes.
Oh.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Were you dreaming of calling me? On your cell phone?
Oh, still calling.
Who are you calling? Who are you calling now? No!
Well, you didn't put her in.
Here, get it to Mom. Come on. Yeah, you got it. Ready?
You're welcome. Congratulations. Take care.
you hear that click?